good morning to all. Today is the third day of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, which is being celebrated at North Bengal Wild Animals Park, popularly known as Bengal Safari. The species in focus for the event is fishing cat. Presently, North Bengal Wild Animals Park houses a pair of fishing cats. Hence, I, Amrit Mahotsav, the biologist at Bengal Safari, welcome you all to the virtual tour of the Fishing Cat's Enclosure. Fishing Cat is the second enclosure of the lesser cat trail.
Before proceeding towards the lesser cat trails, which includes the Fishing Cat's Enclosure, we ensure that visitors cross over this disinfectant potassium permanganate foot mat to prevent entry of any undesirable pathogens. Amidst the lush green sal forest landscape, the Fishing Cat Enclosure is designed and constructed as per the protocol and guidelines by the Central Zoo Authority as well as the recommendations by the West Bengal Zoo Authority Technical Committee.
Upon entry in the Fishing Cat's exhibit, the visitors will find the two standoff barriers. The two standoff barriers comprises of the concrete barrier firstly and the ornamental hedge plants barrier, which upon entry in the Fishing Cat's exhibit, the visitors will find two types of barriers. The first barrier comprises of the naturalistic concrete barrier along with plantation of hedge plants and ornamental plants to ensure that visitors avoid entry and close proximity to the Fishing Cat's Enclosure. The visitors will find a signage board where information about the housed cats is provided. This is the information signage boards which provide information about the fishing cat's morphology, ecology, diet, reproductive biology, along with its conservation status. Cat is also the state animal of West Bengal.
Meet our elusive Yanchin, who is a female fishing cat aged 8 years old, acquired from Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park in the year 2017.
This is Bhupen, the rescued fishing cat which we have acquired from the Gachmukh Mini Zoo in the month of November 2021. Presently, the fishing cat exhibit comprises of 6 housing cells for fishing cats as well as one off-display kraal and one outdoor display kraal for visitors. The total area of the fishing cat kraal and enclosure spans around 500 square meter. Inside the fishing cat's enclosure, we will find varied enrichments in the form of resting logs, water pool, in which live fishes are also provided as feeding enrichment. To elicit their playful behavior, reduce stereotypy and increase their exploratory behavior. Along with it, we will find various ornamental plants as well as water fountains. And perching logs and resting logs. The fishing cat's favorite place to rest, to groom itself is this resting log. Water pool in which live fishes are also provided as feeding enrichment. Let's meet our keepers to know more about the fishing cat management by them in details.
नमस्कार, मैं प्रसन्नजीत बर्मन। फिशिंग कैट को सोने से पहले हम इंक्लोजर को चेक करते हैं। पहले तो हम इंक्लोजर का जाली को चेक करते हैं। उसके बाद जो ऊपर में जो टीना लगा है उसके बाद हम लोग चेक करते हैं कि ऊपर पेड़ का कोई डाली गिरा है कि नहीं है। और उसके बाद जो एनर्जी फैन है हमारा वो भी अच्छी तरह चेक करते हैं। तो पहले तो इलेक्ट्रिशियन आके वोल्टेज चेक करके गया है। उसके बाद फिर भी हम लोग एक बार ऊपर में जो इलेक्ट्रिक फैन है वो अच्छी तरह चेक करके उसके बाद हम कैट को रिलीज करते हैं।
Let's meet another keeper of the fishing cat, who is Vijay Orao. He will tell us about the daily routine management of disinfection, feeding, cleaning, as well as maintenance of the shelter of the fishing cat enclosure.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम विजय उराव है और मैं आज फिशिंग कैट के बारे में घर से आने से पहले अंदर कैसे जाना है और क्या क्या करना है वो सब बताएंगे। और सबसे पहले घर से आने के पहले हम लोग अंदर जाने के पहले ये पोटासियम में डाल के अंदर जाते हैं ताकि बाहर से कोई कीटाणु अंदर ना जा पाए। इसके बाद अंदर घुसने के बाद गेट को अच्छी तरह से बंद करते हैं और उसके बाद अंदर आके सबसे पहले जो घर का ड्रेस है वो हम लोग चेंज करते हैं। और यहाँ आके चेंज करने के बाद जो यहाँ का जो एप्रॉन वगैरह है वो सब पहनते हैं, हैट पहनते हैं, ग्लव्स पहनते हैं और उसके बाद हम लोग अपना काम स्टार्ट करते हैं। और उसके बाद स्टार्ट करने के बाद हम लोग सबसे पहले तो देखते हैं एनिमल्स ठीक है या नहीं है। सबसे पहले तो हम लोग एनिमल्स को चेक करते हैं कुछ इस तरह से, जो एनिमल्स ठीक है या नहीं है वो सब देखते हैं। और ठीक होने के बाद अच्छा रहने के बाद हम लोग फिर दूसरा सेल में जाते हैं। क्योंकि
After the daily thorough checking of the animals physically inside the cell, the keepers clean, disinfect the surrounding enclosure areas as well as the outdoor display corrals and off-display corrals using disinfectants such as Corsaline or Vercon, and thereby release the animals from the cell into the display corrals and off-display corrals. Also, before the release of animals in the outdoor exhibits, the enrichments and the footways of the entry and exit of the animals are spread with herbal disinfectants like turmeric.
The upkeep and management of fishing cats also include veterinary aspects such as their periodic deworming as well as vaccination against many diseases such as feline calcivirus, canine distemper, etc. Let's know more about how the keepers take care of the cats the whole day. Vijay, over to you.
सबसे पहले सबैभन्दा पहिला हामी एनिमल्सलाई रिलिभ गरेर एनिमल्सलाई हेर्छौँ र त्यसमा कुनै पनि बिरामी या त केही प्रब्लम भेट्यो भने साथै साथ डक्टर सरलाई खबर दिन्छौँ। अन्त एनिमल्सलाई छोड्दाखेरि सबैभन्दा पहिला एनिमल्सले पानी खाँदैछ कि छैन, राम्रो हिँड्दैछ कि छैन र चलफिर गर्दैछ कि छैन त्यो सबै हेर्छौँ, एब्जर्भ गर्छौँ र एनिमल्सलाई किर्नाहरू लागेको छ कि छैन त्यो सबै पनि हामी चेक गर्छौँ। र यो सबै चेक गरिसकेर एनिमल्स ठिकै छ भने चाहिँ डेली रिपोर्ट्समा हामी लेख्छौँ र त्यसमा कति खाना, कति पानी, कति ग्राम दिँदैछौँ त्यो सबै हामी डेली रिपोर्टमा लेख्छौँ।
Besides their daily upkeep and management, the behavioral biology between the opposite sexes of the cat, along with their daily feed intake, their enrichment utility, is also observed and recorded. The reproductive cycles, though these species being polyestrous, are also being routinely observed. Though the cats are housed in zoos, they still display their wild instincts like territorial markings through urination and scratching. Here we come to an end of our virtual tour of Fishing Cat's Enclosure presented by North Bengal Wild Animals Park. Thank you for watching.